Yeah, it was, because it's normally some fairly calm and mundane testimony, but all of a sudden the explosion this morning, shortly after 10 o'clock, clearly some heated moments as defense attorney Sharon McPhail got the blood boiling on the prosecution side. McPhail trying to discredit one of the state's most credible witnesses, the court administrator who ordered that first audit that showed some misconduct by Chief Judge Sylvia James. In this second day of testimony, Deb Green on the stand. She has oversight for some 68 courts in 7 different counties, including the district court in Inkster. It was a morning filled with objections from the prosecution. Yes, the judge in the case went along with about half of them, but not a lot of new information. But then this complaint from Associate Examiner Margaret Rainier set up the exchange.
Since yesterday, every time I stand up, counsel makes comments, cuts me off. I would ask that I be permitted to place my full objection on the record. Yes, relevancy, counsel stated in part, it has to be a fact or an issue that is material to the proceedings. So asking her, do you have any problems, or does it change your mind whether you had any problems based on these speculative facts, is not relevant to what we are here about.
Are you finished?
Judge, that's so unprofessional.
I am asking.
Wow.
I am requiring that each side, regardless of how you may feel, treat each other with courtesy. My job here as a fact finder is to try to find out the facts so that I can make as correct conclusions as possible.
I do, however, Your Honor, want to make a record that Ms. Rainier stands up to interrupt me every single time I ask a question.
You've made the record. Let's move on.
Thank you.
There's a retired judge who's the fact finder in this case, known as the special master in this administrative hearing. She managed to get things calmed down and suggest that both attorneys be a little bit more civil. In the meantime, they will continue to try to collect facts from another witness, finally to take the stand this afternoon, as this process, essentially in judgment of Sylvia James, the chief judge of Inkster's district court, will in fact continue, could go on a couple of weeks, as many as 30 different people to be called to the stand. Reporting live from Dearborn Heights, Bill Proctor, 7 Action News.
So this process could be drawn out for quite a while then, Bill.
There's no doubt every time someone takes the stand, at least that we've seen so far, the cross-examination apparently goes a little while, and there's so many claims of misconduct here that a lot of it will have to be proven by statements from the stand.
Bill Proctor live in Dearborn Heights today. Thank you very much, Bill.